Welcome back for another one. Right here I'm trying to figure out if I have anything loose on the front end of my vehicle, and I figured this would be a great opportunity to help someone that might not know how to check this. A long screwdriver, a breaker bar, any kind of simple something to kind of push up underneath the tire with. You want to jack the vehicle up so it's up in the air, just enough so you can fit something underneath, and you pull up. And if you have anything loose, you're going to feel like a clunking noise, and that would normally be a wheel bearing that you might have bad. Now, if you have a loose steering, you want to check side-to-side play, and that'll tell you if you have a bad tie rod. This vehicle seems pretty tight. I just drove it for, 200 miles over the weekend, and everything seems to be very happy. So thanks for coming along for the journey, and hopefully you learned something.